Today, I'm doing something a little different, a little special. You know, I am making rainbow carrots because you're not gonna believe this. COVID-19 plagued us, but I have COVID-20. I gained 20 pounds during COVID. I made cookies, cupcakes, just everything you can think of. I ate it. So I want you to come along with my journey as I lose weight. So every now and then we're gonna do a hack that's gonna include simple food that tastes really good that you could try, and usually under 15 minutes because I'm an empty nester. So I also like to do quick meals that's satisfying and healthy. All right, let's get started. So for our ingredient list, we have the carrots. I washed them, dried them, and trimmed them. We have some Himalayan sea salt from Trader Joe's, as well as some everyday seasoning. If you have not had Trader Joe's everyday seasoning, just run out and get it now. It's amazing. We also have honey and chili peppers or chili flakes. You can do the flakes. I'm actually going to break this and use the flakes. And we also have olive oil and some butter. All right, so we're going to take about a tablespoon of butter. If it was up to me, you know, I'll add a little. But I'm going to tell you something. I had a piece of toast and 3 tablespoons of butter today. And oh my God, I've just wrecked my diet. So I'm going to turn the stove on and let the butter melt a little bit. And while I'm waiting for the butter to melt, I'm going to just add some olive oil in the pan. And I'm waiting for it to get hot. So I'm going to stir it in here for a minute. So when it gets a little warm, hot, I love butter. I don't know about you, but listen, I believe in a diet, but my diet gotta have butter and sugar. So I have to just exercise to make up for them points and bread. I had a little bread today. Oh my gosh. I regretted after logging in to find out that my breakfast, oh my God, you guys, my breakfast was 900 calories. And guess what I had? 2 pieces of toast, 3 tablespoons of butter. I know that's a lot. Maybe it wasn't 3 tablespoons. Maybe it wasn't. So now what I'm going to do is put in the carrots because the butter has melted. I'm going to put my carrots in. And I'm just going to position them there. These, you guys, are so good. And if you had regular carrots, you can do this with regular carrots. My aunt once came over to my house and took some carrots and add brown sugar to it, and I was like, oh my God, what is that? She's like, I just added some brown sugar. So I'm gonna just sprinkle some sea salt. Oh, that's not enough. I'll put a little bit more. You know, the Bible says salt gives us flavor. So you know, we love that salt, but don't do too much salt because we're gonna think about blood pressure in the African American community. So then I'm gonna put some of our favorite Trader Joe's everyday seasoning, and then we're just gonna let those brown. And you know why those are brown? And let me tell you what's in everyday seasoning, because you can make your own everyday seasoning if you don't live next to a Trader Joe's. Has sea salt, mustard seeds, black peppercorns, coriander, onion, garlic, paprika, chili pepper. That's all that's in everyday seasoning. You can make your own everyday seasoning if you're not near a Trader Joe's. So we're just gonna let them brown on one side. Wow, I love carrots. I usually not like cooked carrots. I'm gonna let them brown on one side, so it's gonna take about a couple minutes for it to cook. And then we'll come back when they're almost brown.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
All right, so we're gonna turn our carrots so that they're nice and brown. See how beautiful that is? And look how nice and brown that is. Nice and brown. And then once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some chili peppers. You're just gonna take the chili peppers and just sprinkle them to as much as you would like to taste. You know, some people like it really hot, some people don't. And then we're gonna just take some honey. We're gonna take a little honey. And this is after they cooked, and just spread a little honey over it. All right. And once you're done with the honey, you're gonna take the pan and shake it a little bit, just to make sure all of them get covered with some honey, some of the glaze. So that's the glaze in the carrot. So I'm gonna just turn them, and then, let me see, it's a little on the hot side with this pot, but I'm gonna turn it. Ooh, this looks nice. Look at that. Look at that nice glaze. And look at our carrots. It's got a nice color. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. So, you know, this was really quick. It was carrots with a little honey, chili pepper flakes, sea salt, everyday seasoning, and oh, don't forget the olive oil and a little tab of butter. Don't get carried away like me, because you know, I love me some butter. And what else did I forget anything? Olive oil and butter. So that should be it. And it takes less than, you know, 10 minutes. You know, I have a big carrot in here, so I'm trying to get that carrot to cook. But other than that, look at that. Look at that carrot. All right, so we're done with this. If you have any questions, oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And we have some exciting... Oh wait, I was just checking out this carrot. It looks so good. We have some really exciting hacks for this year. All right, so this completes our dish of multicolored carrots in a nice glaze, and look how beautiful they are. So of course, you know I've already eaten them, so I need to just let you see how beautifully they are, beautiful colored they are. Like, look at that carrot. Like, oh my God. It's good, it's healthy, and you would definitely lose some weight with this, but it's really good. So, thanks for stopping by Mommy Room Redo and Fran's Friday Hack. Bye for now.